What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Alfred, and today we got a short and sweet video for you, putting out the public service announcement. Yes, I do run our custom wrap business, but guys, we are a true marketing and advertising company. All right, this is maybe 90% of the business. Yes, we do color changes and the awesome designs that you see out there on the street, but a big chunk of business is marketing and advertising. That is helping you, if you own a business, promote your business on either your car, your truck, your van, your SUV, whatever it is that you drive on your fleet. We can help you promote your business. So this is essentially my workflow in the office. I do the design work, I vectorize images, I go ahead and cut them on our plotter, and I am the production guide. I do it all, guys, all for the love of this business that I'm in. I am very passionate about everything that I do. So here's a quick shot of me prepping for our Nardo Silverado truck. Now I am going to be logoing out our truck, and what you're seeing me prep today is the cutouts for embossing. I will be doing some embossing work on the next video, so stay tuned for that, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I say embossing. Essentially, this material right here is going to be laid under the overlapping material. So that Nardo gray color is going to be above this, and it's going to be what is called an embossment. I am looking very much forward to showing you guys that again on the next video. So this is my process. I do go ahead and cut the vinyl, by the way. This is a color PPF that I have picked here, and reason for it is this material is specifically thicker than a normal vinyl material. I wanted it to be thicker so that it is clear on the embossment. A regular vinyl will be somewhere about 3 mils thick. This one here is about 7.5 mils thick. Again, this is a color PPF film. It is thicker than your average vinyl. So as always, I am confident that I am presenting some valuable information, some good techniques for you to use if you are newer into this business. If you are seeing that value, I would appreciate, guys, hit that like button. If you are not subscribed to our channel, guys, I would love to have you part of our community that I am working to build. As always, I am an open book. If you have questions, comments, if you think I'm great, if you think I suck, let me know down below. I love to be entertained in that fashion as well. So guys, again, I am here for you. If there's any guidance that I can offer, just let me know. As I mentioned before, guys, on the next video, I am going to be handling this embossment. I am doing both driver's side and passenger side front doors. And the small embossment you're going to see in the next coming up videos, that one's going to go over the fuel doors. So we will see you on that next video. Thanks a lot.